Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a collective haul to share with you today. I had my order from Erica for a while now, and I'm just now able to open it. I got it. When did I get it? Oh my gosh. Monday? Sunday? Of last week? I don't know. But here it is. It's a few of the dies that I've been wanting, and I could not believe they were all there. So anyway, this is the first die. I'm ready to play. This is the mini album, coffee mug mini album. It comes with the straw. It comes with a mini bow. It has the whip. It has layering pieces so you can make the cover into a shaker, and it's got the drip going on, and it's got the top cup detail. It even comes with reinforcers that are the shapes of stars, flowers, and pennants. That is super cute. So I got that. Scrap Diva Designs, guys. If you are not on it, there it is, scrapdivadesigns.com. You could also go and follow the hashtag scrapdivadesigns on Instagram and get a bunch of inspiration from a whole bunch of creative ladies there on Instagram using all her dyes. I also picked up the Halloween words. You get scary, October, Halloween, candy, pumpkin, spooky, and boo. So I thought that was cute for Halloween. I also picked up the die stamp and die set. It has the scalloped edge, and it also has a layering piece, and it's got the bunch of word stamps. It got spooky, bite me, bad to the bone, trick or treat, boo, beware, eek, witch power, candy please, hey sugar, boo to you, and happy haunting. And then you also get this faux wax seal stamp right there. So that is super cute. I also picked up the pumpkin girl face. So you could use this jack-o'-lantern girl face on anything. I could use it on the mug. I could use it on her shaker, on her gumball machine, I think. I also could use it on the circle die. You could also use it on the charcuterie boards, the round charcuterie, the rectangular charcuterie boards. Check those guys out. I did pick up a few of the Christmas ones. This one is Hello Winter, and it's got a little snowflake and detail, and then it has the shadow background also included. And then here is the cuddle weather. That's cute. It's got the snowflakes here. It's got the shadow background here. Very, very cute die. Can't wait to play with these. And then this is the, it's a face die, but I think this is for, you can use it on the snowman, on the reindeer, all different things. You can make faces with these. I'm sorry, Erica, I forgot the name of this die. I also picked up the reindeer die. This comes with the nose, the bow details, the antlers. You've got some ears going on here, some eyelashes, and the insides for the ears here. Super cute die. So that is what I picked up from Erica. Please go check her out, Scrap Diva Designs. I'm pretty sure a bunch of us already follow and know her because she has some beautiful dies. I thought I picked up some dots, but I guess I didn't, but that's always for next time. Another one I have to share with you is from Walmart. It's a collective haul, so here we go. I picked up this coffin. It was like under $9. It's a little coffin shelf. It's metal. So yeah, go check it out. I think I want to spray paint it, but it might not happen this year. I mainly picked it up for our Halloween party that we're planning on. Yeah, $8.98. There it is. It's on the bottom. $8.98. So pick that up for the party. Also found this little guy. It's what are those? Old-fashioned yard decorations, but this is a mini one, and it's about 10 inches, I think. It's a wild guess, but here you go. It lights up, under $10, $9.98. Changes colors. I'm so excited because I want to put this on our table also for our Halloween party. So I got that. I did pick up their creepy cloth, creepy fabric. I picked up 2 also for the table. And then I also needed some yarn needles, but not necessarily yarn needles, because when I sew up like my crocheted pumpkins, sometimes the crochet plastic needle doesn't quite fit through or go all the way through, and I lose my needle inside my project. So these are just decorator needles in the sewing section at Walmart. And I don't remember how much this was, but it's under $3, very affordable. You get 3 different ones. You get 6, 5, and 4 inch. Also for Halloween or Halloween season, I did pick up some impress nails. I blame this on Louisa because I can. I'm kidding. But these are gorgeous, and they're the impress, so that means I don't need to put glue. I just need to clean my nail beds and then rubbing alcohol, and then you peel off the backing on the nails and you stick it just like a sticker. So I got that. And then another time I was there, I picked up the Halloween coffee mugs from Walmart. They were under $5. It was $4.98. This one I found at the same time. It was $1.98. And they're just the pink and black little cauldrons. So cute. I picked those up for my crafts supplies. Also picked up this little enamel pin. It's called Make Your Own Magic. And it's got the little unicorn, Halloween unicorn in there. So cute. $1.98. You can't go wrong. Well, you can, but you can't. Usually you can wait until these things go on clearance, but I didn't want to take that chance. Also found these. These are the paper placemats, and also found in the Halloween section. You get 8 pieces, $2.68. I thought that was so cute for crafting. So I picked 1 pack up, $2.68, not bad. Now, I don't know if I shared this or not, but I did haul this a while ago. I just haven't done a haul. This is the 30 LED lights. They're $5.44, and I wanted to add this to our fall Halloween wreaths. I picked 2 of those up. And then these are just a bunch of fabrics that were there at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. Yeah, so these are Dollar Tree fabrics. These were gifted to me by Louisa last year. So they're out because I found some from Walmart. And here it is. You have the seasonal fabric. This is a yard, 1 yard pre-cut. And like I said, because we're having a party, I want to jazz up the table. And here it is. Look, this is what it looks like, the pattern. Got a whole bunch of different pumpkins. It could be fall, it could be Halloween. So I got 1 of those. And I don't remember how much these were, but I also picked up the candy corn. And I found little bats with stars. So those were going to be fun. And then this one is the, this one's Dollar Tree. Yeah, so this is Dollar Tree. These are older. Some of them I pulled out and I threw it in the bag because I was going to make a project with them. So if you're looking at Dollar Tree, they always have fabrics. Go check them out. This one is a Walmart fat quarter. So that is it for my haul, guys. I just wanted to come on here and share these with you because now I need to use them, and then I also need to put them downstairs so I can remember to use them for the party. But anyway, that's it, guys. Thank you all for joining. Please hit that like button, that thumbs up button. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. Join the family. Hit the subscribe. It's free. And hit that notification bell so you know when's the next time I load up a new video. So again, thank you and have a great weekend. Bye.